The parametric equations of a curve are x equal to ln tan t, comma y equal to sin square t. Express dy by dx in terms of t. Here you need to find dy by dx. Okay, now the change here is x and y are in terms of some other variable which is t. Okay, x and y are in terms of some other letter. In these situations, this will change to dy by dt by dx by dt. If dy by dx, even if I write in this way, nothing is going to change. Why? Let us say I cancelled dt, I get dy by dx. Thus, what I proved is dy by dx can also be written as dy by dt by dx by dt. Okay, now I have to find this one, replace it here. I have to find this one, replace it here. So this will be your dy by dx. Okay, so let us find one by one. First, y. Given is y equal to sin square t. Now, I should get dy by dt, and that I could only get if I differentiate on both sides. What I mean is, take d by dt on both sides. Now here dy by dt no change, and over here sin square t I want to write as sin t whole square. See man, whether it is sin square t or sin t whole square, these two are the same. Whether sin square t or sin t whole square, they both are the same. Now why did I write in this way? Such that I can make use of the formula d by dx of x power n, that is n into x power n minus 1. Here in place of n it is 2, in place of x it is sin t. So this will become 2. Sin t power 2 minus 1, 1. So I am not writing that. Don't forget the good practice is into d by dt of in place of x whatever you have. Okay, now so it is 2 sin t. Differentiation of sin is cos t. Okay. Now also don't forget, write the good practice, that is into d by dt of in place of x you have t. So t. It gets cancelled, that is the secondary thing. But good practice, continue it. Okay. So this is for dy by dt. Now let us find for dx by dt. For that, x equal to ln of tan t. See man, I need to get dx by dt. For that, I have to differentiate on both sides. So I will take d by dt. So here no change, here it will continue, and over here what formula will you apply is d by dx of ln x is 1 by x. Okay, so here in place of x it is tan t. So there you will get 1 by tan t into, don't forget the good practice, is d by dt of in place of x whatever you have. Many forget this, you should not forget. Next, so this is 1 by tan t into differentiation of tan is secant square t. Again the good practice is into d by dt of the letter t. It gets cancelled, fine, but still it's a habit of writing that. Now 1 into secant square t is secant square t by tan t. Let us simplify this. Secant square t is nothing but 1 by cos square t. Tan t is nothing but sin t by cos t. Okay, now when this goes up, it will get reciprocal. So 1 by cos square t into cos t by sin t. Am I clear? If it is a by b by c by d, when c by d is coming up, it will get reciprocal d by c. Same here. And why did I do that? Such that one square and this will cancel out, and I am left with 1 by cos t sin t. Okay. So now let us replace dy by dt and dx by dt over here. So dy by dt is 2 sin t cos t, and dx by dt is 1 by sin t cos t. Now you see, this is a fraction, right? So obvious this cannot go here, so this will go up, resulting in 2. Let's write sin t cos t into sin t cos t. So that is nothing but 2 sin t into sin t is sin square t, cos t into cos t is cos square t. Clear?